Okay, for number 14, I probably should have worked an example like this in class. Well, I'm doing it now because this is a little bit more complicated, and quite a few of you, well, gave me lists again on this. I didn't want lists. I said find the number of multiples of 3 that are not multiples of 5. But it gets kind of tricky. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, in the interval from 1 to 109, not including 109, how many multiples of 3 are there? Well, there are 108 integer divided by 3 multiples of 3. And as soon as I find my calculator, I'll tell you what that is. Okay, 108 integer divided by 3 is, there are 36 integer multiples of 3. Now, some of you who did not give me lists, nevertheless, okay, we're trying to make it easy, and in fact easier than it is, by saying, well, now I can count the number that of multiples of 5 and subtract those. The thing is, though, where we do have 36 integer multiples of 3, if we calculate the integer multiples of 5 and subtract those, then we're going to be subtracting out too much, because there are lots of multiples of 5 that are not multiples of 3. Okay, we only need to subtract out the number of multiples of 5 that are also multiples of 3. So we'll take 108 and we'll integer divide by, not by 5, but by 15. Okay, so we'll take 108 integer divide by 15, and that gives us 7. We then take 36 minus 7, and that is 29. Okay, and so that's the thing with 14. I don't want you to give me lists. I want you to give me a number, but it's a number which, okay, you'll need to think a little bit about before you calculate.